special delivery.
Okay guys, what's up? What up to my folks, my family and my friends. Okay guys, all right, so this is I got this in for repair. This is the PRV DSP 2.8x guys. Yeah, so I got one of these in for repair, which the guy told me, say when he got it back it seemed like it was wet and he dried it and he loaned it to somebody. I don't know how somebody could loan this out, you know, it doesn't make any sense, but I guess he did have it on his hand, wasn't using it, and he loaned it to a friend, and say it seemed like it got water damage. So I got it, I opened it, I see a lot of water damage for real along here, which I dried out underneath the digital screen here, the display screen. Yes guys, display. And I cleaned it up even under this voice coil here. I have to remove it from the board, which I didn't make a video of that because I did order the part and was waiting for it to come, so I got it today. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna just put it in and see if it pours up. So it did pour up, but I didn't get to test it as yet, so I said I'm gonna just make a short video of it. I never really see nobody repairing one of these on YouTube or anything like that. So let me go through it quick guys. Right here you have this 25 volts 470 microfarad or 470 UF guys capacitor right here. Yeah, that one was good. Even right here everything was good, but right here guys, this was shorting out, and this on this side was shorting out. So those are some regulator, so voltage regulator. So I took this one from the board, it wasn't shorting out. Took this one out, and the inside of the circuit it was shorting out. So I didn't have any of these, to tell you the truth, on hand. I never used them before, and the part number here is PJW4N06A. that was the part number, and I stuck the little thing back here. So got it in. I replaced both of them, even though one was only one short, you know, but they linked together. So when they were shorting out, both of them was giving me that reading guys. So this was the one that was bad, and that was the one that was reading good, but I replaced it anyway. I didn't have to replace the IC right here, that's a 494 TL 494, yeah, that was, I figured out it was good, you know. So that's all I did for this circuit board guys, and clean it up. But this is the hardest part, I think. Yeah, to get underneath the display clock right here. Yeah, but what I did, my brush, I prized it up like this. I lift this side, that's not, so I didn't bother to take all of these out, these pin out. So I lift this and some rubbing alcohol, let it soak for a while, and I get the brush and I gently brush it underneath. So yes guys, so as I said, I poured it up before, so I'm gonna give it a test now. So let me see if I can give it a bench test here. Let me see how it, nope, what am I doing? Let me just leave the cover on it for now and see. And see. Alright, so as I said, I pour it on before guys. Pours up. I never worked on one of these before guys, yeah, to tell you the truth. Yeah, this is my first time working on one of these. So alright, I have my audio wire here ready just in case. Wow. And wow. Let's see here now. Oh, I don't need this one. I already have one here. I understand why the heck that is playing through this. Okay, I understand what happened just now. That one I took from the system. Okay guys, input on this side you will see it, output. So wow, all right, these are the mute button guys. I know that I see a video of these. You mute it, you hold them down and mute, unmute that one side of the speaker playing. Side, wow, just right, so which it does play guys, as you can hear. Mosquito going. Try another side of it. Okay. So guys, when you hold it down and the mute it turn red. When it's on mute it's blue. So when everything is blue, I guess all the channels are working. So I wanna test all the channels go down. So this is one. Mute, unmute, unmute, unmute. Okay. It seems to be, maybe I don't have to go through there. I have one more channel left which I'm not gonna really go through because I think everything's okay. I'll put this cover up. Alright guys, successful repair. Wow, I think I'm showing you this thing upside down. So guys, yeah, alright. System equalizer. Alright guys, as you can hear, everything is good to go. Everything come back to skin connector. I said, guys, this part number, you could go back on the video and you'll see it, which it is this little thing here, which I replace both of them. That's how they look. These SMDs. Yep. Replace both of them, and all is well now with this DSP 2.8x PRV audio. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Please like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, CNC Electronics out for now. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. Alright, see you in the next one.
Special delivery.